Hello there. In this video we're going to show you how to store your bikes so you can go from this to this, so that they're out of the elements and they're easy to get to and they don't take up that much space. So come along. Let's go. Here's the bikes that we have. As you can see, storing bikes is difficult. They're really big and awkward and just kind of get in the way. So putting them on the wall, kind of like how we used to have in the garage, should really help out. I did a little research and found this hardware kit on Amazon. The company is Borgen, and the kit comes with everything you need to mount one bicycle. I'll add a link in the video description. Since we're mounting both my bike and my wife's, I bought two kits. The brackets are made out of metal and have a nice finish to them. They consist of three main pieces: the pedal hanger and the tire shelves. I don't know if that's what they call these pieces the tires go on, but they're essentially little shelves your tires rest on. They come with pretty easy to follow instructions, so just about anybody could install these. First, you want to find where your studs are. Using a stud finder tool is a must for this. I like the one I have because it'll also tell you where your electrical wires are. You don't want to drill into any wiring. This wall has a switch and an outlet on it, so I want to steer clear of that. I was lucky because there was a stud right in the center of the wall. Once I knew where the studs were, I lifted my bicycle to about where I wanted it to sit. I did this so I could get an idea of where to mount the pedal hanger. And then I used the pedal hanger to mark where to drill the pilot holes for the mounting screws. Once the locations were marked, I carefully drilled the pilot holes. Once all the pilot holes were drilled, I screwed the bracket to the wall with the supplied screws. And when it was all snug, I tested the placement of the bike. From there, I was able to determine where the tire shelves were by placing them directly under the tires, and then marking with a pencil. Most of the weight is held with the pedal bracket, so these tire shelves help protect the wall from being scuffed and to keep the bicycle level and to keep it from pivoting on the pedal bracket. There's one bike on the wall. Now I'm just gonna get the second bike up on the wall, and hopefully it'll fit okay right there. Alright, there we go. We've got both bikes up off the floor and onto the wall, and there's plenty of room to walk around them. I would definitely recommend this style of bicycle storage. It's working out really well, and the good thing is our bikes are easy to get to. We'll see them all the time, so we'll be more motivated to use them, and they're not outside. Now when we want to ride our bikes, all we have to do is take them off the wall. Yeah, I might have bonked my head right there with the brake lever. Now, enjoying a nice bike ride is easy peasy. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more content, please consider subscribing.